Toby, and this is my dad. He helps me look after the bees. We've been beekeepers for as long as I can remember. We wear these cool outfits because bees can sting. Well, it makes me feel like a space explorer. Let me show you around. These are some of my beehives. Now we can open up the hive to see how much honey they have inside it. This is the top of the hive where only the worker bees can go. They collect the nectar, turn it into honey and store it in. And they also make the honeycomb. This is the queen bee. She's the most important bee of them all. The queen bee's job is to lay all the eggs. And I love baby bees. I love beekeeping because bees are cute and fluffy. We get to watch baby bees hatch and we get yummy honey. Thanks for coming to visit our farm. Costa's Hotline.
Oh, I've got a call. Hello, this is Costa's Hotline. If you grow it, I'll know it. How can I help you?
Hi, Costa. I have a question about bees. What is pollination?
Oh, good question. You'll probably hear this word a lot around bees. Pollination. Pollination is how new plants are made. Plants make something called pollen, which is the dusty and powdery stuff that comes off flowers when you touch them. And when bees land on a plant, they get this dusty pollen all over themselves. Then, once the bees have taken all the nectar out of the plant, they go buzzing off to another plant to drink from. That means the dusty pollen that got all over them gets moved and blown around from plant to plant and all over the gardens. Once the pollen goes everywhere, new seeds are made inside all those flowers. And from the seed, new plants start to grow from it. Cool, right?
Yeah.
So, pollination is actually really important for our plants and nature in general.
Wow, that is really cool. Thanks, Costa.
No worries. There's so many cool facts out there, so keep digging deeper.
Okay, I will. Bye.
Thanks for calling Costa's Hotline. Bye.
Big picture.
Hi everyone, my name's Tanya and I'm an entomologist. That's a type of scientist who studies insects. I love all insects, especially bees. Bees are so important because they help new crops grow by pollinating them. Bees love flowers. They need pollen for protein and nectar for energy. And just like people, they do best when they have a variety of flowers to choose from. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what types of flowers different types of bees like to eat. I put out fake flowers with different colors and different smells. Then I see which of the fake flowers different bees choose. By understanding what bees like, we can try to make sure that bees have their favorite flowers in the garden. It's a lot of work to make fake flowers at home, so the best thing you can do to help bees is to plant your favorite flowers. Then you can try to see, from a safe distance, which types of bees like the same colors and smells that you do.